Welcome to the video tutorial on how to stream YouTube from phone to computer. We often use this method to connect YouTube from phone to TV. But in this video I show you how to do it on a Windows computer. Computer screen size is always larger than phone screen size. Therefore, the YouTube viewing experience will be better when watching a long or high-resolution video. To connect YouTube from your phone to your computer, make sure your computer has Google Chrome installed. In Google Chrome, you install extensions called Custom User Agent String. These extensions help you emulate some other devices or other operating systems. In this case, I simulate a smart TV. Specifically, I emulate a smart TV on Google Chrome. You copy and paste the parameters as above. In addition to smart TVs, you can emulate other operating systems such as Android, Linux or iOS. All are listed in the drop-down list above. In this video, I only show you how to connect YouTube from your phone to your computer, so I simulate the Tizen operating system. Tizen is one of the operating systems on smart TVs. You add the newly created URL and make sure it is enabled. Next, I open the newly created custom path. You link your phone and TV with the code. This is the code I use to link between TV and phone. So I have completed the setup on the computer. So how to connect YouTube from phone to Windows computer? I use an Android phone and open the YouTube app. In YouTube, open Chromecast. You link your phone to your computer with the code. The connection was successful. Now I can connect YouTube from my phone to my computer. So I have completed instructions on how to link your phone and computer to use Chromecast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.